Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we shall discuss the IBM test pattern and the questions that was asked for the role Java backend developer. So in the previous video, I have uploaded the application link. So if you are eligible for that, you can apply for that and you can take up the test. So this was conducted in the November 2025. So the test pattern, like it's a webcam based test and so the test platform, it's a HackerRank platform, and the test duration, so the overall duration of the test, it is 60 minutes. So the test, it is divided into two sections. The section 1, it's a coding part, and the section 2, it's a REST API development. So these are the two sections like which will be included for this particular backend role. So in order to complete the if you wish to take the sample test before the actual test, you can take up the sample test. So the sample test coding question, it will be the phase bus question in which given number n for each integer I, so in which the range starts from 1 to n and which is inclusive, and you are going to print one value per line. So based on the conditions, like if it's a multiple of both 3 and 5, you are going to print some value which is fizz buzz, and if it is multiple of 3 but not 5, you are going to print only fizz, and then if it is multiple of 5 but not the 3, you are going to print the buzz, and then if it is not multiple of either 3 or 5, you are supposed to print the actual value of the I. So this is the sample question. Like first you can take the sample question and then you can go to the actual coding question. So as mentioned, so there will be two parts. The first part, it's a coding part, and the second will be the REST API. So in case of coding part, the question this question, it's in the product recommendation system. So you'll be having the key value pairs. So suppose say prediction 1 as well as the prediction 2. So these are the strings, and you can also say like it's a product recommendations, like two different algorithms. So your task is that you are going to implement the function and you are going to find the keys where the products or the values they differ between the two algorithms. So there will be two strings like prediction 1 and prediction 2. So both string will have the key value pairs. So you are going to compare each of both the strings, and you are going to find which value is different from the other, so the key pair, and you are going to print that value. So this is the only task, the output is that you are going to print the different value or the distinct value out of each key value pairs. So there just you are supposed to complete the function. So there will be, as mentioned, so there will be prediction 1 and the prediction 2, two strings. So you can see here, so these are the two strings, prediction 1 and prediction 2. So these are the key and the value pairs. So here you can see in the string 1 we have three pairs. One for the hello, the key, we have the value world, and for hi we have the value hello, and for the key you have the value me. And this is the first string, string 1 prediction 1, and the prediction 2 is the second string in which it has the key value pairs as follows. Like for hello key we have world, you can and for hi we have hello, and also you need to check alphabetically each and every characters whether it differs from the first string or not, and you are supposed to print the the value which is different from both strings. So when you clearly observe, you can see that the second string hi hello, like when you see alphabetically, it has two O's. So we can say the common value out of these two strings is hi, and you are supposed to print the hi as the output. So this is the coding question, first coding question. And coming to the second thing, the REST API development. So in this, you'll be given the name of the marathon and the gender, and you are supposed to identify the who is the fastest runner of that gender in the marathon. So they are going to give the HTTP URL. So the GET request, you need to use that URL, and you are going to get all the details, and then you are supposed to like same you'll be having a function, the average heartbeat function, so with the parameters, and you are supposed to complete that function, and you are going to get this URL, and whatever the response parameters or the values, field values they have mentioned, like the query response from the API, it includes these all fields, the page, per page, total, as well as total pages. So where the page, it's the current page, and per page means the maximum results per page, and the total number of records and the total number of pages for that query, and also the data, which is an array of JSON objects which contains the runner information. So each object in the data, it includes following fields like the name, marathon name, and the average heartbeat, and the gender also. So name, like the name of the runner and the name of the marathon and the average heart rate of the runner during the marathon, as well as the gender. So these are the object fields which will be included. So your task is like you are supposed to complete the average heartbeat function with the given parameters. So already the function will be there with the parameters. You are supposed to complete the like the method body, and that lastly you are supposed to return the average heart rate of the runners based on the criteria. So they'll mention the criteria, and that value, it should be rounded to the nearest integer. So these were the two questions which will be like for the these are the two questions which was asked in the IBM for the backend developer. So the complete test cases and the complete questions. So if anybody needs, you can just comment below, comment in the description, and you can join the Telegram link. You can join the Telegram group. So like the complete question and the test cases, everything, it will be provided in that. And also the link for this, it is been uploaded in the previous video. You can go to that and you can apply for that, and you can take up the test. Like if you are eligible, you will be getting the link to the mail, and later like within 3 days you are supposed to complete the test. So you can go to that and you can prepare on the same. So these were the this will be the like similar kind of questions which will be asked. So you can prepare on the same. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.